Here at Ketchan, we conducted a precision induction brazing test for a customer's 41mm copper tube and brass ball valve assembly. The customer required two things: a full uniform brazed fillet, and a strictly controlled heat softening zone on the copper tube. To achieve this, our engineering team optimized the power level, operating frequency, and induction coil geometry, ensuring the heat is concentrated exactly at the joint without overheating adjacent tubing. We also designed a custom alloy brazing ring to guarantee consistent filler flow and repeatable capillary penetration. In the video, you can clearly see the joint heating to a uniform red, and the alloy flowing smoothly into the gap. At the end of the test, the component shows a fully filled, clean brazed fillet, and a workpiece section proving complete penetration exactly within the required depth. Ketchan's controlled induction brazing ensures repeatability, reliability, and controllability, ideal for HVAC, refrigeration, and high-end copper brass assemblies.